Hello Ram, do you want to learn how to make a calculator in Python? Yes, Ritesh, I want to learn. Alright Ram, so this is going to be the output of our calculator. First we should enter a number. Let's take it as 5. Then we must enter a math operation. We can do addition. Then we have to enter the next number. We can take it as 7. Then we will get the answer of 12. If else and elif condition. The if else statement is used to execute whether the code is true or false of a given condition. If the condition is true, then the if block is executed and skips the else block. But if a condition is false, it skips the if block and executes the else block. Elif is the short code of if else block. Variables. A variable in Python program gives data to the computer for process. Let's move on to the next slide. Input. Input function gets input from the user. Let's move on to the next slide. Int. Int function converts the specific value into an integer number. Math operations. In Python, addition is plus, subtraction is minus, multiplication is star, and division is forward slash. Comparison. The equal to symbol is used to check whether an object is equal to another object. Okay, so now let's make our simple calculator. You open a new file and create a variable as a. And write int input input a number. And you write b input enter math operation. And after that you create a variable as c and then int input enter a number. And after that you use the if statement. If b equal to addition print a plus elif b equal to subtraction int a minus c. Elif b equal to multiplication print a multiplied by c. Elif b equal to division print a divided by c. Then, if all of these conditions don't work, we'll write else, print, invalid, math operation. Now we save this file, then we click on run and then run model. Enter the number, we enter the number as well. So let's get started. And enter 8. And then we get the answer is 40. So Ram, did you understand Python and how to make a calculator in it? Yes, Ritesh, I understand Python and how to make a calculator in it. Thank you for teaching me. You're welcome, Ram. Bye, Ritesh. I have to go now. Bye, Ram. Have a nice day.